Hey everyone, this is Sudhakar, the proud owner of LeadSync Link, the digital marketing agency for your business growth. Today I'm going to go through some basics of digital marketing, the beginner's guide to understand what's actually business marketing of digital arena. These days agencies pretty much tend to invoice you in insane amount of dollars or prices from your currencies to give you some basic help, share some analytics, or even do some simple campaigns which would hardly take a couple of minutes, but eventually you will be charged insane amount of money. The problem here is unawareness or not able to understand what they are implementing. That's where we come in. Our business model is making sure that each and individual business owner or customer understands the core concepts of digital marketing, the basics, so that they can eventually analyze and understand what's actually helping their business rather than someone else is saying. Because agencies have multiple clients, they just really don't bother if you are growing eventually at a higher rate. You're just a customer to them. But as a business owner or a customer, you have to have basic knowledge about what's digital marketing agency. That's the whole concept of this video, to make you understand what's digital marketing, what types of platforms we can use in digital marketing arena, and also some resources so that you can quickly go on to those dashboards, analyze where your traffic is coming from. Is it PPC marketing? Is it organic? Or multiple other jargons which I will later explain to you, but this pretty much sums it up. I'll try to keep it as simple as possible. Let's dig into it. Before we start, I can give you some deep diving into free learning platforms which could be helping who are thriving to learn what's digital marketing agency and learn these courses and eventually get expert in them. The first one would be Google Digital Garage. It's pretty much a platform where you can get all kind of training related to Google platforms like Google Ads, Google Analytics, name it, you get there. So pretty much use that platform. Another one would be HubSpot Academy. There's lots of information, the blog posts or anything relationship with automation, you can find it over there. And Meta Blueprint. This is another free platform resource where you can understand about social media industry and the benefits out of it. And then let's actually sum it up. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is like telling people about your business online, its modern advertisement and what's happening on it. There are different platforms where we can use to actually make that happen and reach to these customers in exploration about giving your brand or explaining your brand to the customers and reaching those potential customers. The first one would be websites. It's a basic concept. Having a website will make you get legitimate, where people can land onto your website and make sure that they see what business are you, what are the core concepts of your business and how widely spread you guys are. So that's the first platform in the digital marketing. And then that would be social media. Second platform, it would be Facebook, LinkedIn, Meta, TikTok, pretty much everything, Google Ads, different platforms to sell your products online. And then email marketing. Email marketing is a very low rated platform where people don't understand, but trust me, that's the cheapest way of reaching the maximum potential. Imagine reaching 50,000 customers via email is way cheaper than reaching the 50,000 customers on the same basis on a social media. You'll pay an insane amount of money. So please do have that email marketing automation plan. Go check out our website. There's an interesting blog of making this 5 top automations you guys have to have in 2025, like shopping cart optimization, post-purchase automation, which will save a lot of insane amount of money, but rather a machine running to generate those valuable leads. Do check out that. I'll keep this blog link in the description. Please don't miss on that. And the fourth one would be online ads like Google Ads, Bing Ads. Man, spend 90% on Google Ads definitely, because everyone come and search on Google Ads. So pretty much target that platform. Facebook ads for a local business, TikTok ads, which eventually is growing insane in many countries, and then later on You can do Bing ads as well. Bing ads is basically making sure it has a lower like people Microsoft engine. So it's basically called as Bing ads. So understand 90% of the world is on Google search engine, but Bing ads is not something we can ignore. So there's like 5 to 10% base. So let's utilize it, not putting all the eggs at one basket, but it's rather smart to arrange your platforms and also be there, be an OG already in there. So and there's a fifth concept, which is search engine optimization. It's a core concept. It's eventually growing all over the world, but that's the best way of running your business eventually without any money. So you keep on this valuable insights content on your website, and then eventually after months Google will recognize your business, the value of that content, and make you on top search list. And this is for free. So everyone should have a SEO strategy. We are here to help you out in writing blogs, interesting concepts with your businesses. And there's an interesting blog of SEO. If it's a new concept for you, I highly recommend you to quickly go onto our website. What is an SEO? A 5 minutes read, you will get to understand what's the core concepts, and you will be getting started easily with free resources. So go check that out. So let's start off with strategy 1. Make your website look better. So basically, where I said the fifth concept of search engine, the first strategy is SEO, wherein you make sure that you get a great website which is mobile optimization and with the right content. Just don't create a website and throw it to the customers. Make it worth it, make it valuable, make it user generated, and get the best SEO help you can get, so that you are listed in a very appropriate as since the beginning. And you can use some resources for SEO tools like Google Search Console, which is a free version from once you integrate to your website. There's Ubersuggest to find the keywords and use it for SEO. PageSpeed Insights, again, you can type in PageSpeed Insights, which is a free Google tool to understand how speed your website is. And there are a couple of key steps involved into it. Find the right keywords. Use Google Keywords Planner, which is basically if you open Google Ads, which is a free version, don't pay anything, don't create any campaigns, and then eventually you can use a free resource, which is Google Keyword Planner. And then pretty much use that to understand what customers, what is the level of keyword. For example, water purifier. If you type in that keyword, you can literally see how many searches or how many people are bidding, or how many volume searches for that particular keyword. And eventually you can have multiple keywords targeting exactly the same way. If it is lower volume, you pretty much don't want to target that long tail keyword. Sometimes it will help you, but that tool is free of charge. Why not utilize it? Look for some questions on Answer the Public. That's a platform where you can just look for some questions, or just type in some questions on Google. You'll get some list of questions. You can use that as long tail keywords, and pretty much you can rank on those keywords as well. You can also check for competitors rank with that tool, and make sure that if someone is bidding high value on that particular keyword, pretty much that's something which will actually gain you a lot of customers and traffic to your website. So it's a simple concept. If it's a higher bidding for that particular keyword, try to create more content and become the expert, or dominate everyone with that particular keyword. Launch multiple blogs. Google will definitely give you credit when even though bidding on other platforms, if you have great content, it will definitely help you out. Make the site pretty much speed. Don't include multiple videos and high resolution images. Try to use tools, free tools like making the PNG to WebEx, which is a lower resolution with KBs. Don't cross more than 200 KB, 300-400 KB. It's safer with the images. and then use free tools. There are multiple tools which you can use to check your site speed. Use the GTmetrix. I'll obviously include all these platforms in our description. Go check that out. I'll have these URLs for the site speed. Optimize your images with tiny PNG. Choose good hosting. I think there are multiple hosting platforms. I think one which I would recommend is Hostinger, which is pretty good, and they're valuable and cheaper as well. So they have multiple services and backups. So choose a simple, reliable hosting. Don't go for cheaper hosting, so that you don't get reasonable support when something happens to your website. Let's protect it. And then main concept is creating great content with basic articles for your businesses and clear headlines, so that customers actually understand what are your blogs are about, and get the best knowledge from that. Second strategy would be pretty much rocking your social media, and for doing that you need to have some graphics. People are attracted to great graphics, insights. So the Instagram, I would recommend having Canva, schedule your posts and track results with Instagram Insights. For Facebook, learn from Facebook Business Suite. As soon as you pretty much open your Facebook account, you will be having access to your Facebook Business Suite, where you can have a planner, where you can literally integrate your Instagram channel as well, and post at one go on both Facebook and Instagram. Do utilize those kind of features from Facebook and Instagram, and post content which is specifically more graphic and user-friendly information on your posts as well. Don't use some crazy jargons which no one can understand, but rather use some credible content which easily customers can understand and feel comfortable. TikTok. Follow TikTok Business Learning Center and use and edit using CapCut. It's a free tool which you can use. It's super easy. You don't need a professional design video expert. It's just that you need to use this CapCut tools to make sure that you can edit them by yourself. These social media platforms. Pretty much TikTok is helping new customers, so utilize that service as well. And then for free image resources, I would highly recommend Pixels, Free Photos, Unsplash, which is a high quality images, and obviously Canva for design templates. And the third strategy is creating amazing content. Guys, again and again, Google definitely will pretty much help you grow if you put in some efforts in creating this valuable content. Use Grammarly, which is a free tool to correct your spellings, headlines, make sure that you have precise headlines, where customers could actually understand what the blog about in a glimpse. Create some H1, H2, H3, H4 levels of tags, so that even Google can crawl through that article and make your page listed on top. So that's something. The third strategy will go around how you can create some interesting content to help your business. Basically the content ideas would be how to guide behind the scenes videos if you're creating a video content, and the customer stories, whatnot would be the best option. Create some customer stories, how you guys have helped their businesses, and it eventually and people love them. Industry news and also tips and tricks. Check out our YouTube channel, check out our blog post to learn more about how you can make this great valuable content which will be easy for you. Have a quick read and share it to your customers or people if you really like that blogs, which would be very valuable to us. And the strategy 4 would be email marketing. You have some fun email marketing platforms which are for free. The first one would be MailChimp, free up to 2,000 contacts. Sendyblue, the second one, which would be great deliverability, and the third one will be MailerLite, easy to use. And these are for nothing, start a free trial and try to automate your email, get that list of your customers, push in there, and then create an automatic cycle where the customers are retargeting them with multiple offers, 10% discounts, or try to create a cycle post purchase as well. If you need more interesting automation, you can just jump onto our website, and there's an interesting blog where you have 5 top automations for email marketing, where everyone should have to make that machine running in the back end to get more leads. Please do have a look at that. I'll add it to your link to this particular description. Email marketing tips. Build your list legally. Don't pretty much pump other spam. It's not ethical. Don't spam them, they wouldn't like it. So please, rather you're pushing away from your business, or they really don't no customer would really enjoy spamming them. So please avoid that. Write interesting subject lines, keep emails short, include pictures. People love pictures. And test different times and ends. Every customer, every individual industry has different timings of launching. Launch it in the mornings, launch it in the afternoons and evenings. Find out when the customer engagement rate is good, and then focus on that particular time period, which will help you. And the 5th concept would be online advertisement. As you guys know, which is pretty much famous, is Google Ads, where it holds more than 90, I believe. So add some campaigns, Bing ads, utilize that, Facebook ads, and if you're service based or something, use LinkedIn ads. Some free resources are Google Ads tutorials, Meta Ads guide, and LinkedIn Ads guide, which is pretty much gonna give you core concepts of how you can set up campaigns and do some search engine or video campaigns as well. So please do utilize those platforms to grow your business and awareness. And LinkedIn is specifically for B2B advertisements, Meta is for Facebook and Instagram, and Google Ads for search advertising. Track your success. So basically you're putting efforts in making sure that implementing email marketing, implementing content, blog, but it doesn't make any sense if you don't track them. So what platforms are useful for easy tracking is Google Analytics, which is for free, and then the Buffer Analytics social media stats, which I have it on our blog. It's a platform, Buffer, where you can understand the social media stats. Meta Business Suites, obviously you get that free information of insights, how your Facebook ads and Instagrams are running. Use that and track down. Even in analytics, you can see where your traffic is coming from, reinvest in those particular channels and grow your business. Simple as that. But these concepts are really easy and easily achievable. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars to your agencies to pretty much do this. So I would highly recommend check these resources, check our blog posts, reach us out for any kind of help, and we are more than happy to help you guys. There are many books which are for free as well on our website. Please utilize that as well. And stay updated. Make sure that you have search engine journals and read these Reddit marketing and product hunt channels to join them, and utilize that free resources. These are the core concepts of digital marketing as a beginner, so please do utilize them, and we are always here to help you with your digital marketing journey. Just reach us on our website and drop your contact information. One of our executive will definitely reach you out, and we can guide through. Take advantage of the 30-minute strategy session, a growth session from our website, and pretty much we can have an audit, and then we can guide you through where you can grow, and we can even help you with multiple services as well. Thank you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe if you find this video content useful, so that it will help our business to create few more to help a lot of people get some knowledge, and also bring some awareness in digital marketing, which is definitely going to help a lot of people and a lot of money saved. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.